Click on the link below to get discount. The Champion Power Equipment 6,500 watt RV-ready portable inverter generator is a powerful and reliable generator designed to provide clean and efficient power for a variety of applications. With a starting power of 6,500 watts and a continuous power of 5,000 watts, this generator is perfect for powering RVs, camping trips, and home backup during power outages. Its advanced features and quiet operation make it a popular choice among users. One of the standout features of this generator is its CO Shield carbon monoxide auto shutoff system, which ensures safety by automatically shutting off the generator if carbon monoxide levels become too high. This feature provides peace of mind, especially when using the generator in enclosed spaces. The generator also includes quiet technology, which reduces noise levels to a minimum, making it suitable for use in residential areas and campsites. The economy mode of the generator helps to maximize fuel efficiency by adjusting the engine speed to match the load, thereby extending the runtime and reducing fuel consumption. This mode is ideal for long-term use as it helps to save on fuel costs. Additionally, the generator produces clean power with less than 3% total harmonic distortion, THD, ensuring that sensitive electronics and appliances are protected from power surges and fluctuations. The Easy Start dial simplifies the starting process, making it easy to get the generator up and running quickly. The generator also features a low oil shutoff system to protect the engine from damage due to low oil levels. With a fuel capacity of 3.95 gallons, the generator can run for up to 15 hours on a full tank, providing extended runtime for various applications. The 120V20.8A RV-ready outlet and the 120/240V20.8A locking L1430 outlet provide versatile power options for different devices and equipment. The generator also includes two duplex GFCI household outlets, ensuring safe operation of electrical devices. The 12V regulated automotive-style outlet is perfect for charging batteries and powering automotive accessories. The Champion Power Equipment 6,500 watt RV-ready portable inverter generator is designed with durability in mind, featuring a robust construction that can withstand harsh outdoor conditions. The generator is also easy to transport, thanks to its foldable handle and sturdy wheels, making it convenient for camping trips and RV adventures. In conclusion, the Champion Power Equipment 6,500 watt RV-ready portable inverter generator is a versatile and reliable power solution for a variety of applications. Its advanced features, quiet operation, and fuel efficiency make it an excellent choice for powering RVs, camping trips, and home backup during power outages. What stands out the most? High power output, starting power of 6,500 watts and continuous power of 5,000 watts. CO Shield carbon monoxide auto shutoff system for safety. Quiet technology reduces noise levels for residential and camping use. Economy mode maximizes fuel efficiency and extends runtime. Clean power less than 3% THD for sensitive electronics. Easy Start dial simplifies the starting process. Low oil shutoff protects the engine from damage due to low oil levels. Extended runtime up to 15 hours on a full tank. Versatile outlets includes RV-ready household and automotive outlets. Durable construction, built to withstand harsh outdoor conditions. Easy transport, foldable handle and sturdy wheels for convenience. Fuel capacity 3.95 gallons for extended use. Safe operation, GFCI outlets for electrical safety. Battery charging, 12V outlet for charging batteries and powering accessories. User-friendly, easy to set up and operate. Technical specifications. Starting power 6,500 watts, continuous power 5,000 watts, fuel capacity 3.95 gallons. Runtime up to 15 hours on a full tank, noise level, reduced by quiet technology. CO Shield carbon monoxide auto shutoff system economy mode adjusts engine speed to match load. Clean power, less than 3%. THD Easy Start dial simplifies starting process. Low oil shutoff. Protects engine from low oil damage. Outlets 120V20.8A RV ready, 120/240V20.8A locking L1430 2 duplex GFCI household outlets, 12V regulated automotive style outlet. Weight approximately 127 pounds, dimensions 27.2, DX 22.2, WX 22.4. H material, high-quality, durable materials. Fuel type, gasoline usage, RVs, camping, home backup. Pros and cons. Pros, high power output for various applications. Safety features like CO shield and low oil shutoff quiet operation for residential and camping use. Fuel-efficient economy mode. Clean power for sensitive electronics. Easy to start with. Easy start dial. Extended runtime with large fuel capacity, versatile outlets for different devices, durable construction for outdoor use. Easy transport with foldable handle and wheels. Cons: heavier than some portable generators, requires regular maintenance. Higher initial cost compared to basic generators. Where to buy? You can purchase the Champion Power Equipment 6,500 watt RV-ready portable inverter generator from major online retailers and authorized dealers like Amazon. To summarize, the Champion Power Equipment 6,500 watt RV-ready portable inverter generator is a versatile and reliable power solution for a variety of applications. Its advanced features, quiet operation, and fuel efficiency make it an excellent choice for powering RVs, camping trips, and home backup during power outages. Click on the link below to get discount.